subscribe to Fantasy TV. That's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. Alright, just do that and then come and see me. Fantasy boat party!
Feeling fine. Love this mood and love this vibe. Everybody's joining in. Let the fun and games begin.